Boy fight, boy fight, boy fight.
Hey!
I told you, leave my food alone. Good morning. I am about to head to work and I'm heading out to get some feed for one of the Cornish cross chickens that we have. You guys may have seen that we recently moved them out to the pasture and they're in the chicken tractor now. But we had one that was acting really sickly and I said we need to separate it and keep it away from the rest of the chickens. Just kind of see if we can nurse it back to health. If we can, great. If not, well, that's another loss. We've lost, I think, 3 total, which is not too bad so far. I'm grateful for that. This is super muddy out here. Look at this. We just got some rain within the past couple days. So I'm heading out here because all the chicken feed is out here. It's not back at the house. And I want to provide him with some chicken feed that he's been used to eating. Good morning, boys. So we got them all set up here. And we will be moving them, I believe, this evening maybe? Or it might be in the morning, I'm not sure. They may have already moved them this morning. So my husband and my son got up early this morning and allowed the girls to sleep in and did all their chores for them. So everything's been done and thought I would just take you along, come out here. So it's kind of tough one-handed. I'm gonna put the camera down. Take a look at the sky. I think I'm trying to open the wrong bucket. There's 2 buckets on the inside that I believe have a feed in it. So fence is off, I'm crawling in. My husband's probably coming over here to see what's taking so long. It hurts, my hands are so cold. I got started, but I was on the wrong bucket. I realized that after I tried too hard.
You just do one at a time.
I usually do. My hands, I don't know where my fingers are just tender or what this morning.
I was thinking about that. I was like, oh, she's going to be...
For him? You think for a single chicken?
You forgot to feed the ducks and the layers in the back.
Oh.
Too. I just thought about that's why I came back here to help you. But like that, the girls won't have anything to do.
So they didn't get all the chores done.
No. But what do you got? What do you think? What do you think? Okay.
It looks good.
And
no,
then
I'm happy for this.
You see the electric fence? How it's in a square?
Here, I've been doing a very bad job here.
So
you can see up against the truck there, it's kind of hidden at times, but we have an electric poultry fence surrounding the chicken tractor.
And then what happens is we move this, we make it enough. And then when we finish the fence, over there we have 2 more of these, and then we'll just make extensions. And we'll make a little path. And we only have to move it every week. Once a week, we'll have to rearrange the fence, and we'll move them. And we only have to do that 4 times for the next 4 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
But like that, we don't have to keep, moving.
You guys hear that? He thinks there's dinner over here. But these guys are covered all around.
And on the sides, this is like 4 knocks.
We know that we have an issue with lots of hawks out here. Not lots, but they just kind of come and go. And we already lost at least 2 that I know of. I actually watched one get taken out. It was sad. It was one of my Polish. I was pretty disappointed, but the Polish are known for being easy prey because of their spray of feathers on top of their head. It covers their eyes. They can't see as readily as the rest of the chickens.
It's like a white.
Yeah. So they don't have as much of a fighting chance out there when the hawks come flying around.
That's why we give them a haircut.
Lucy, our goose, she does a pretty good job, but still, it doesn't. I just naturally have a hard time. I've got to get to work, so I'm going to take this guy with some food. I'm going to have to put the cap on here. No, I'll go back. Yep. That's why I put the cap on. That's why I got deep pockets. Work pockets.
She has deep pockets.
You made it funny.
I couldn't tell.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, if you have deep pockets, I have deep pockets, and I don't have deep pockets.
It is electrified. It's blinking. We're good. All right, I'm gonna flip this angle around because This is not the best angle. And y'all are seeing me with no makeup on whatsoever.
You want to go with us for breakfast? You got to get to work.
No, I gotta get to work. I gotta head back in the house, try and find a little jar for this, to put this little guy's food in. Lay some beautiful eggs today. That's Spike, our rooster. I got attacked by him a couple weeks ago for the first time ever. I put him in his place though. Spike, I have a love-hate relationship with you now. So these guys need some food. I gotta get out of here.
So, we already moved them to new grass right now. Yeah, so they're on new grass. And we're going to go ahead and unhook. So, let's just take this off first. Excuse me. This right here. This is the first move of the chicken. Oh, no, you got to pull it tight. You got to pull it tight. Straight across the back, honey. You push it. There, perfect. Good job. Walk back. There. Got it. Take it. Mark. Show me your madness. Very good. That's actually really good. Tie those two. There you have it. They're gonna go ahead and eat the grass, and this is what it looks like afterwards. All their poop is gone in there. They've done their duty. Look at all that. But that's actually good. See, they ate all the weeds. They left the good grass. They don't like the good grass. They like the weeds better. I've seen it. And then the bird droppings fertilize. And then we have now good pasture, healthy pasture. Push it, mommy. 160-year-old lady out here. I'm sorry. Wow.
He's like, no less.
Bye, mommy. Mommy. All right, just for the record, I don't suggest this, but whatever. Can't stop you. Go.
Okay, yeah. My turn. Or Caitlin's turn. Hello. Goodbye. Okay. Hello.
My concern is when you guys go too far,
Yes.
okay, that you'll go backwards, and if it breaks, you land on your back.
Yep.
If you land on your back there, it's night-night. You pass out in the water. All right, guys, I don't know if you can hear all the beeping, and they think they're going to be fed, but what I wanted to show you guys out here is we've developed this little watering system. I talked to the guy at Lowe's. His name is David. I go to him for all, like, I'm a concept guy here, but I don't know the terminology of what pieces are what. Remember, I'm not a country guy. I've never lived in the country. I've been in big cities all my life. So I went to David, and he said, do this. He put this together for me. So let me show you what this is. This is a piece of what they called ABS. I don't know what that stands for, to be quite honest with you. But it's got all these little pre-drilled attachments. You'll see what that's for in a minute. Then I have a 6-gallon bucket, and he walked me through, and I kind of got the idea. He made me pre-drill this, okay? So I put this here, I put that there, I preheated this, and then I clamped it down really good, okay? As you can see what it looks like in there. It's got a rubber gasket on the bottom so it won't leak, and it's nice and tight, at least as tight as I could get it with my hands. I might have to tighten it a little bit more. But I couldn't tell the distance, because, you know, this is going to be sitting up here. So this is what it's going to look like, okay, just to give you guys a little bit of an idea. That's going to go like that. This is going to hang like this. These little white things right here are little nippers. Put it in like this, twist them. I think that's it. So, oh no, you got to go a little bit farther. Okay, so I got to get some pliers because my hands are slippery. So anyways, all these are going to go in here like this. And then you twist them and it'll poke, okay? we lost another chicken. So that's kind of expected. I think I waited too long to bring them out here. Should have brought them out here earlier. But you live and you learn. So you guys get the gist. So we don't have to come out here and water them as much. So that's what it's going to look like. You see that? Kind of cool, huh? So this piece right here, this piece will go right here, like that. That piece will come down here. There's a cap here. And then, look. And then this piece will cap over here. Let me show you how that's going to look like so. And there you have it, a watering system. This whole thing might have cost me $16, $17, but maybe $22 with the pipe. So it's not that difficult. I am going to need a pair of pliers. It's a little long. I just need the channel off. On the bicycle. I'm going to go here, and you see the lock right. There's a little. There it goes. You hear it? It actually it'll pierce through the pipe. And you turn it. You'll hear it. Ready? That little thing has to go over that, and I couldn't. There it goes. Okay, that's done. Then we want to be at a 90 degree, so I'm going to clean this, Ooh, this is strong. Just give it a little bit and you'll see. So we'll let that dry there for a minute. Meantime, just switch ends, flip over to that side. Here, okay. Now, what we want to do, we just kind of want to soften this pipe. Okay, soften it just like we did. And then look what happened, guys. Butter. You know what I did forget is the screwdriver. Now the only problem with this is that when we move the whole thing, the water's got to be almost gone. We're going to have to figure out how much to use, because eventually I can cap this off, right, and then cut it in the middle and do it in the middle, and then it'll go to both sides. You can see, because this is, I capped one end right here, guys. You see this? I capped it. So I can put this little T in the middle and run both, and then just let it sag, which I should have done, but you know, I'm learning. So I think next time I'm going to do that. I'm just going to cut it down the middle, boom, boom, cap both ends, put that T in the middle, and then we can center it. I should have done that. Keep coming out. Okay, up.
Sorry, chicken.
Okay, keep coming. You got it?
Bend it up a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Right there. Bend it down a little bit. Push it down a little bit. There we go.
How are they gonna know this is the water?
Red.
The red attracts them.
To anything. Red anything. That's the trick for these guys.
Here, I got you one more. Now can I let go?
No, the last one. Lift it up. It's just, but it's got to be lower than this. That's actually pretty good. That's really good right there, baby. Okay, guys, there you go. It's got a slight slope. Then what we're gonna do, you see this right here, guys. So the way to test it is
Get water.
get water.
Can I get water?
Sure.
All right, let's look for leaks. Yep, it's leaking.
Where?
Right there. It's dripping out real fast.
Okay, good. That's what we need to learn.
The channel locks, I think it works best here.
I don't feel any
Yeah.
water. No water.
You won't. What about over here? Here, water.
It just hasn't reached down there because it goes up slightly and then back down.
You need more water than...
No,
No, watch.
you need to lower it. Boy fight, boy fight, boy fight.
Hey! He didn't do anything.
I told you, leave my food alone. Are you a bully?